what you said? I should do what?
Oh, what? Oh, ask her for a piece of chicken off her plate.
She's so special.
What happened? I forgot what. I forgot he's on the spot. What happened? Hey, y'all. Wait, what happened? For real? I don't know.
So, we're in Detroit, Michigan today, and we're getting ready to try this restaurant called Fixins. Now, Fixins is a soul food restaurant nestled in downtown Detroit, Michigan. Now, we have never been here before, so we're pretty excited just to see what the cuisine is all about down here in Michigan. So, Michigan, we're trying to see what y'all talking about with this soul food. So, we're getting ready to go in and try Fixins. As soon as you step up to the front door of Fixins Soul Kitchen, you feel the whole vibe that you're about to experience. You hear the R&B bumping. You look through the outer glass windows and you see all these people eating and just having a good time. But the real magic happens as soon as you enter. Man, the atmosphere, it just feels like family. And not only that, it conveys black excellence in there. When you look around, you see all these pictures of African American films hanging on the wall. You see Ebony magazine, you see Jet magazines, you see pictures of Smokey and Michael Jackson. Because of course, hey, we're in Motown. When you overlook the menu, they have a variety of soul food options. They got chicken and waffles, they got fried green tomatoes, oxtails, and a couple of surprises that piqued our interest. But what really caught my attention was this Kool-Aid on the menu. Now, 3 things us Southerners know: Kool-Aid, sweet tea, and that Birmingham Kiki Poo Punch. So I'm eager to see what this Kool-Aid talking about. So again, we're here in Detroit, Michigan. We're at the restaurant called Fixins. So Tarika's sat down with me, and it looked like a pretty, laid-back vibe in here.
It's
pretty
actually very nice.
Really nice. So we're gonna see what Fixins is all talking about. Now, what got me, they got Kool-Aid.
Oh, they serve Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Red, blue, and purple. We don't know the flavor. It just said red, blue, and purple.
I think I'm gonna try me some Kool-Aid. Baby, my baby over there, she's just smiling. But she chose this spot, and this is a really good spot, I think. So we're gonna see what it's all about.
Make sure you get Michael Jackson them over there. Let me see if I can name it. Diana Ross, Lionel Richie. Who's the other dude in the middle? And there's Michael Jackson. Okay, can't see this stuff. Okay. Like I know somebody told me that.
So I'm getting ready to try this Kool-Aid here. I don't know how it tastes. They say it's real Kool-Aid, but I just chose the red. She said I can try different flavors, but I chose the red, which is tropical punch, I think. Put it that way. So we're gonna try it and see how it is. She already tried it. It's good. She tried it before me, so I'm gonna try it too. It's good. It tastes like it's tropical punch mixed with a little splash of pineapple juice. So it's really good, y'all. It's really good. So listen, they got the real Kool-Aid down here fixing. So I
want a piece of her
chicken. Chicken is really good, doesn't it? So I just ordered my food. So what I ordered was the smothered chicken, and I got for my sides I got collard greens with the turkey necks in there. And you thought I was talking to Jules. No. So again, I got the smothered chicken, I got collard greens with the turkey neck in there, the turkey neck in there, and I got candied yams. Now the biscuit or cornbread does not come with it, but I told the waitress, hey, listen, we gotta make sure that if you got greens and you got candied yams, you got to have the cornbread with it. So I added the cornbread with it. So Rika, she's getting ready to get the gumbo. She's got gumbo, and she's got some deep fried deviled eggs. So we're gonna see what that's talking about. And Jewel, she got oxtails. So Jewel got oxtails and greens. So we're gonna see what Fixins is talking about. everything looks pretty good though, guys. So I'm pretty excited. So again, I got
that chicken is
what you said I'm supposed to do? Look, what you said I should do what?
what? Oh, ask her for a piece of chicken off her plate.
She's so special.
What happened? I forgot he's on the spot. What happened? Hey y'all, what happened? For real? I don't know.
She can't be a what you? A chicken snatcher. She talking about that plate right there. Ooh, that plate look good. That chicken and oxtails. Okay.
I've never been here before.
Okay, she's eating my cornbread.
Oh, it's good.
Stop eating my cornbread. Why are you eating my cornbread? Good. Now we're gonna try these. Try to wait the jewel plate come out.
I ain't never had a fried devil egg before.
What's your take on the fried devil egg?
And this is the grand closing.
Grand closing.
Thank you.
Oh, them oxtails.
These are good.
So what's your take on those?
They different, but they good.
For us, the fried devil eggs were a thumbs up. But realistically, those are going to be up to your own individual taste palette. So Jules said all they got is real Kool-Aid down here. So people from the South, let us know, hey, who got the best Kool-Aid, Detroiters or Birmingham?
And you ain't eating nothing.
Nah, I'm just doing my recordings.
Very good. You're gonna taste.
Okay. How's that gumbo?
This is good gumbo.
It is.
You got just enough for everybody. This is really good.
It's got just enough kick.
Yeah, super good. I'm coming on the line now.
She's coming on the way. Okay, so I'm gonna try some of this, some of the oxtail here and see how they are. So I'm gonna try it and just see what it's talking about now. Oxtail's pretty good. Yeah. Now, I still got my smothered chicken I gotta try, but listen, oxtail is pretty good. I haven't tried the gumbo yet. Jerika said the gumbo is pretty good, so I'm gonna dig into my plate right now. Anyway. Oh, I stole her cornbread. Right here, I'm getting ready to taste my food for the first time. And afterward, I'm going to give a little rating. And it's going to be my honest opinion about each dish that I ordered. Try these chicken.
And try this right here on the cornbread. Let's see. You tried it? Good? That bread is good. So this is some blueberry butter, and it's like a spread almost.
The music good too.
Yeah, they got good music also.
We in the D, so we expect to hear some good music.
You're in Motown,
It's
baby.
the home of Motown, baby.
So it's a type of blueberry butter. It's really good. I've been saying that a lot in here, haven't I? Yams are good, greens are good. Chicken's okay, pretty good.
This is different. What is
Very tender greens. Now, sometimes you have people that don't know how to cook greens. These are people that know how to cook some greens. Is he online? No, I'm not online. No, I'm recording. But like I said, a lot of times, y'all can communicate with me, because a lot of times, what happens is a lot of times people don't know how to cook their greens. These some folks that know how to cook some greens back there. Yeah, greens are tender, ain't made with pork. You know, a lot of times I don't eat pork, but sometimes I eat pork. So I ain't gonna say I don't eat pork. I don't eat pork a lot. I don't like pork in my greens, but made with turkey, and so it's good. So I told the waitress that you can't have greens. You can't have your greens without cornbread. You can't have your yams. You can't have your yams without cornbread. So listen, look what you can do. Get some of these yams.
You can't keep none in your hands today.
Okay. Alright, y'all. I've been digging in this food. What you think?
I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I had my glasses on the whole day without taking them off.
Proud.
Man, listen. At this point, I was trying to eat with proper etiquette, but hey, I'm at Fixins, so man, I was sopping up yam syrup with cornbread, eating greens how you supposed to eat them, like with your hands. Man, I was just really having a good time. So y'all better not say nothing about me.
Do I just put the stuff right here?
As you can see, everything they did at the table was really, really good. So all in all, Fixins Soul Kitchen was an excellent spot to visit. The atmosphere and the vibe was perfect. They had great soul food choices on the menu, and the staff, they just made you feel like you were a part of the family. So from us, Fixins Soul Kitchen gets the Charlie Sheen Winning Award.
Oops, winning.
So, Drika, we just had Fixins. How was Fixins to you?
Oh, Fixins was 10 out of 10 going again.
She said 10 out of 10 going again. Yeah, it was pretty good. So I give Fixins
where you taking us?
10 out of 10 too. Maybe a 9 out of 10. But it was really, really, really good. So I enjoyed it. So it was just, you know. So this is Mike Epps, his comedy club here. It's called One Mic, as you see up there. So we might check it out, you all. What y'all think? Y'all think we need to check it out? Thank you.
Back home myself, and I'll take that. I'll take the what's name, the little shuttle.
Yeah. I haven't got it. I appreciate the conversation. I think we just have inviting faces.
Have to. Have to.
People just like to talk to us. So guys just came up and like, hey, where y'all from? What you doing?
Yeah,
What you doing tonight? Where you staying?
I think he was trying to get y'all to come there, but just couldn't.
Just couldn't.
He wasn't getting there fast. Like, get it out.
I know exactly what.
It wasn't going nowhere. So I said, just walk away.
If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more great content, check out these videos right here. See you next time.